hours and they would have 10,000 hours a month from it without having to do more work. If that's the type of lifestyle you want, then you need to make sure that you're implementing the strategies that show then here you'll monetize your service. Now as we go through the strategies that you can use to our service, it's one more. I'm going to start with the one that is my least favorite, and last one is going to be my one of my most favorite. So in case of least favorite, it's going to be sponsorship. I think that's when it gets sponsorships. You think that sponsors want to change your life? No way that not, it's actually not true because all sponsors are going to do is try to take advantage of it. For example, you do a sponsorship deal. So guess what? If you don't make them their money back, at least they're never going to do another sponsorship deal with you ever again. Another strategy you want to be implementing is you want to make sure that whatever you're doing when it comes to sponsorship, one, you're not doing too frequently because the worst thing you can ever have on Instagram is a sponsorship with every single post. So this is actually going to limit the amount of money that you're doing. I'm trying to do doing just a little bit is going to be the best way for you to monetize because you're really going to get monetized every single time that you post on Instagram if you want to put that strategy. I highly recommend.
ไม่น่าเหนื่อยมั้งจริงๆครับทีน้ำมาก่อนนะทีน้ำมาก่อนดำก่อนเดี๋ยวครับพี่น้องครับนี่ได้ยินเสียงแล้วเทียบแล้วนี่คือสิ่งที่รอคอยครับผมนี่แล้วไม่พบกันดูแบบที่น้ำใส่เอาไปกันโอ้สองสามตัวตั้งแต่เริ่มนี่ อีพีต่อไปครับผม